Men who exude authority in a room do so not through loudness, but through their presence. Their strength originates from within, grounded in self-awareness and emotional regulation. They have a clear understanding of their identity and values, and they don't ask for permission to express themselves. This confidence creates a magnetic effect. They prioritize listening over speaking. When they do choose to speak, their words are deliberate. Their calm assurance replaces noise, and they bring clarity to confusion. Their body language is open, steady, and relaxed, conveying a sense of security and leadership even before they utter a word. These men are not focused on impressing others, they are in alignment with themselves. They show respect for others without diminishing their own worth. They establish boundaries assertively but not aggressively. They maintain composure in stressful situations, which conveys reliability and strength. True authority stems from discipline, purpose, and empathy. When a man gains mastery over his inner self, the external world responds accordingly. Master yourself first, and every environment will take notice.